someone could have got a first mortgage loan for $400,000 and a Dreams For All loan for $100,000. That $100,000 does not have a monthly payment attached to it, so the monthly payment would have been only... Thanks for tuning in. My name is Arthur McCoy, and I'm a licensed loan officer that has closed about 600 mortgages all across the United States over the past 10 years. This topic is one I wish I could speak 100% freely on, but what I could say could possibly influence the industry, for better or for worse. So to prevent fake news and misleading my peers or potential homebuyers, I'm only gonna stick strictly to the facts that can be sourced. I did some CoffeeZilla level research on all of this, but please leave your thoughts and comments below. With that responsibility in mind, any statements I make here can be sourced in the hyperlinks in the description. To understand this program, we need to understand all the players involved. There's everyone from state senators, mega rich investors, state agencies, taxpayers, and even Mr. Gavin Newsom himself. CALHFA defines itself on its website as a self-supported state agency that doesn't rely on taxpayer dollars for the operational costs, but regularly administers various state and federal resources on behalf of the state. That but is where things get a little interesting. On January 18th, 2003, Senator Nancy Skinner, a Democrat out of Berkeley, introduced Senate Bill 101. From there, it's kind of like that Schoolhouse Rock where how a bill becomes a law. 5.5 months later, the bill works its way to Governor Gavin Newsom's desk. He approves and signs the bill, effectively becoming the new budget. This thing is $310 billion, the second largest in the state's history. The budget is 918 pages long. I did endless scrolling through this thing, and I've seen millions upon millions allocated towards just about everything. Everything from homelessness to public transportation. And that's where the Dreams For All money comes from, the state budget, tax dollars. The first batch of Dreams For All funds, $300 million, was released in April of this year. But just 11 days after applications opened, the initial pot of money was tapped out. Doing the math, that's $27 million per day that was getting used up. That was a chaotic 11 days. CALHFA's website that is used to administer the program had a lot of technical issues towards the end. Let's fast forward back to today. CALHFA announced on Thursday, June 29th, that they have $200 million remaining available funds for the program. They also stated that they'll be working over the next couple months with their partners in the state government and with various stakeholders to evaluate any necessary calibrations to the program. The necessary calibrations part of the update has the industry assuming changes. Since none of those calibrations are officially confirmed, I will not restate them here. Once officially confirmed, I'll release another video breaking it all down. Here is what the original program looked like. Dreams For All provides a loan for 20% of the home's purchase price. The homeowner pays back the original loan amount plus 20% of the appreciation in the value of the home. That 20% is a lot. For example, with a purchase price of $500,000, someone could have got a first mortgage loan for $400,000 and a Dreams For All loan for $100,000. That $100,000 does not have a monthly payment attached to it, so the monthly payment would have been only based on $400,000 plus property taxes and insurance. So by not having a monthly payment on the $100,000, the regular monthly payment calculates out to be about $620 less in principal and interest. Plus, with that structure, the loan wouldn't need mortgage insurance, which could be another couple $100. For simplicity purposes, let's call that another $200 per month. So between those things, the payment ended up being like $800 less per month compared to what it would have been by just putting 3% down. Now, can we all see why the funds were gobbled up so quickly? We don't know what the upcoming changes to the program will be yet, but it should be interesting. For all we know, could just be fixing technical issues so crashes don't happen again. Until then, make sure to follow to stay updated so that you're in the first to know when changes come out.